Hello, I thought I would jump on here really quick as I finally decided today I need to go through the house again. So back in 2014, I started the process of fully decluttering my house, and for a long time, it didn't seem like I had any momentum or any real result for my effort. But now I have realized that I really did get on top of the house and it was quite organized and really good. And now I just messaged my husband earlier and said, I feel a little bit overwhelmed. So I'm going to do this systematic going through my house, sorting stuff out, and I'm going to video it so you can see how someone with a large family that has fully decluttered, how it needs to be done again in a better way. I'm kind of at the generosity stage of decluttering, so I'm not so interested in trying to make millions of dollars by selling off the things that are actually worth a lot of money, that maybe I should just find somebody to give the stuff to and be generous, because the whole end result that it began with huge anxiety and a lot of issues, I'm now, that Zen place is pretty good. And I want to be able to be really generous to people and to grow more generous heart. So if you're interested in following along with that, then jump on board, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little completely unedited video. But yeah, I will be videoing more of my process and my organizing of things and how I do it around the kids, and the processes we kind of go through. And we'll go from there. So have a great night. If you want to follow along, please subscribe so you can find out when I do the next one. So take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.